Hi friends, this is a fun game. I'm going to show you one and then I'm going to let you figure out the rest when you see this. You're going to see a picture of a skin close up, and then you're going to have to figure out what kind of animal it is. So you're going to look at this picture. It says, what animal has skin like this? Any ideas? It's kind of gray and wrinkly looking. I'm going to give you another second or two. It is an elephant. And then it gives us a fact about an elephant. Did you know that an elephant is the largest land animal in the world? Elephants can swim. They use their trunk to breathe like a snorkel in deep water. And then there's more in the packet. I'm going to let you discover that at home. Then there is mystery puzzle. There's one that's 4 pieces. And then there's one that's 9 pieces. And there's a game board that goes with both. Here's the one that's 4, and here's the one that's 9. And you're going to cut out the numbers, and there's numbers here in little circles, and you have to line it up in order. So you'd be like 1, 2, 3, 4, and figure out what the picture is. You can lay it on top of here and you can glue it, or you can just put it on and play with it more than once. The same thing with this one. You can do the same thing, 1 through 9. Have fun with it, puzzles. Bye, friends.